You can see just coming from the fishing boat. You see the brown line, that's how much water was in it. So now, I'm just on the rowboat, about to row back to my bike. The man's actually pushing me, so I ain't even having to row. As you see my paddles right here. The man's just pushing me right to the side. Look at that. Just about to bail out my fishing boat. Make sure it's just ready. See the St. Regis Hotel, it's almost ready. And that's our day. Yeah. Got us back. Trying to row with one hand today. One hand. Fans got one hand. And around one hand. Ain't too bad today. But yeah, you see the fishing boats there. Make sure you like and subscribe. See the hotel. See Bermuda. And get out of this water. Get myself back to my route. See what else is in store for me today. I think today is Wednesday, you know. I'm still on semi-lockdown in Bermuda, so. Okay. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my world. Never know what you're gonna see. Alright, until next time. See the hotel. Until next time. See my fishing boat. Alright. Till next time. Peace.